Locate the USB-C port on the top of your drone and remove the rubber protective cover. Insert the USB-C on the NightSense attachment into the top attachment bay. Once plugged in, fasten the screws on the attachment to the drone until finger tight. Do not over-tighten. Repeat this process for the other NightSense attachment for the bottom attachment bay. Once your NightSense attachments are installed, you are ready to fly. You can control your NightSense attachments within Skydio Flight Deck. To fly with NightSense, be sure low light mode is enabled. For more information about your Skydio X10 system, visit us at skydio.com/support.